my channel, and today I'm coming at you with a quick little tutorial on how to create this gorgeous eyeliner. Yes, in 4 easy steps. Yes, you heard me right, 4 easy steps. You can create this bomb liner in 4 steps. So, you ready to learn how? Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because if you don't, well, then you're just not cool. So if you want to be cool, hit that subscribe button and we can be cool together. Okay, let's check out the video. I hope you guys like it. So guys, I'm going to show you how I do my wing liner. Now, there's many different methods. Everyone does their own thing. So you kind of have to figure out what you like best. But the results are generally always the same. So first things first, always make sure you have the following items nearby in case you need to correct mistakes. Q-tips, essential for makeup, period. So Q-tips. Makeup remover, any kind you like. Concealer, these two basically are to correct any mistakes. And maybe a slanted brush is always handy to correct mistakes. And of course, you're going to need your eyeliner. And there's many different choices out there. You have to experiment and try and see what you like. I'd say if you're really a beginner, go for one of those magic marker type pens that you can just easily hold and just basically draw onto your eye. Today I'm using a liquid liner from NYX, and this liner I think is about $7. It's very inexpensive, and it goes on wet and it dries in a matte, beautiful wing. So this is my newest favorite right now. When you buy this one, make sure you, I don't know if it's possible, if they allow it, but make sure you open it when you get home, if you can't open it in the store, and make sure you check the brush, because you want the brush to have like a pointy tip like that. You don't want it to be frayed or damaged, because you want to be able to pull that sleek, beautiful, gorgeous line. So, okay. Enough talking. Let's get busy. Always shake your liner if you're using a liquid liner before you start. The first thing you're going to do is draw a line. And the line can either go from the inner corner to the outer corner of your eye, or it's going to be the tail of the wing. Now, I purposely kept my eye makeup a little bit neutral so you guys can clearly see what I'm doing. I like to start with the tail. So let's just start. Let's start here, and we're just going to draw upward. But basically, when you go up on this line, you can either do it in little bits or you can do it in one line. I like to do it in one line. I don't know why. But when you go to the tip, you want to lift your hand away from your face slightly. So you want the line to get thinner and pointier and fade into nowhere. Okay, yeah. Whatever. Let's keep it going. So we have step number 1. And remember, you can always make changes and adjustments later. So this is just the basic. From the middle point of our line. About the middle. That's where we make our triangle. But I'm going to color in the triangle that I created. And then you're going to connect the line to the inner corner of your eye and stay as close to your eyelid as possible. Okay, so here we go. The next step is to enhance the line. So make it all come together. So you're going to basically trace over it, make it bolder, bigger, longer, taller, whatever you want it to be, you're going to do it. So you just go over it. Now all that's left is to apply some balm lashes, and that's it. One more time the steps. Step number 1, create the tail. Step number 2, create the triangle. Step number 3, connect the wing to your inner corner. And step number 4, glam it up. Okay, I'm going to apply the lashes and then I'll show you guys the final result. Now, after you apply the lashes, you always want to make sure to go over the line one more time just to hide the band. I hope you guys liked the video. Leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in my next video.